They say that home is where the heart is, but I'd have to say the heart of any home would be where the fireplace is. And today we've got Tony from Jetmaster Heat and Glow to talk all things fireplaces. Now, Tony, you offer a whole range of wood fires through to gas fireplaces. What are some of the considerations that people need to think about when they're choosing a fireplace for their home?
Wood fires have always been a traditional point in a home, and with your wood fires, you've got two types. You've got your open face wood fire and then your slow combustions. People in a city metro tend to go to the gas a lot more nowadays because they want a convenience to be able to hit the remote control, say, there's our fire.
So what are some of the designs people are going for these days?
We cater for contemporary right through to modern elements. Contemporary being your mantelpiece, your cast iron fascia type setups. And then we've got more the linear fireplace, which is more your modern home, very minimalistic sort of view to it. Definitely sort of takes that clean line into the whole house.
You've got a fireplace going in this home here today?
We certainly have, yes.
You mind if I come and have a look?
No worries, let's go.
Beauty. All right. Now, Tony, this was an existing fireplace at some stage. So what have you done to get it to a point where you're ready to put in a new fireplace?
Well, when you've got an existing structure, we've got a unit that works for it. What we've got to do is we've got to get two flue pipes up through the chimney, and because they're a flexible conduit, they have a serpentine effect so they can follow the shaft up. It'd
have to be a hell of a lot cheaper putting in a unit like that rather than ripping down the old fireplace and going again.
There's a big structure in there. If you have to modify that fireplace, the width or the height and things like that, you need to get qualified people in there to do it, and it can become expensive. Jetmaster can supply the service of the installation as well. We have qualified tradesmen to be able to do the electrical and gas supply for it. So essentially we're a one-stop shop once you make your selection.
Tony, it's all done, and I've got to say, it looks fantastic. That's a beautiful fit.
Yeah, you can see a winter's day sitting around this, can't you?
Absolutely. Looks great, but you know what, I'd like to see it actually fired up. Can we get it going?
I'll tell you what, do you want the privilege?
Love to, mate. What am I doing?
Red button there, just press it down.
Easy as. Oh, how easy is that? Perfect, that looks beautiful. So, Tony, as far as efficiency goes, what's a unit like this one run like?
Consumption rate's about 32 megajoules an hour, and with the 10 amp fan that's running inside there, you're looking around 45 to 50 cents an hour to run it.
That's fantastic. You can already feel some of the heat coming out of it straight away.
Yep, and the mesh there to protect that, stop people from touching the glass, because it's a ceramic glass and it gets quite hot.
All I need now, mate, glass of wine. Good job, Tony.
No problem.